Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Tuesday morning haul. So yes, Tuesday morning may be coming back with loads of craft items like we used to see before, but right now they only have a few. So I thought I'd share with you a little haul that I picked up. First up, I picked up these Jolie Boutique flowers. I think these are really pretty. I love the color. One of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull off the little yellow center because that makes a pretty large bump on your card in the envelope. Matter of fact, you may be able to smash it. I don't think so. So I'm going to put that off and maybe put a little Nouveau drop in there or sequins or something of that nature to make it a little flatter. So these are the Jolie Boutique sticker florals. And then I picked up these Paige Evans 40-piece embellishment stickers. These are from the Wonder collection, and they're super sweet. They have a lot of flowers and birdies and butterflies and snapdragons, all kind of beautiful things in this collection of ephemera. So you want to check that out, $2.99, really good price. Next up, also from Paige Evans, is this 50-piece embellishment set. And this one is from her Bungalow Lane collection. So the Bungalow Lane collection is a lot more flowers and only butterflies and some leaves. So really cute collection here. The Bungalow Lane by Paige Evans. Next up, I have these wonderful stickers from Vicki Boutin. It's 223 pieces of wonderful warm wishes stickers. I wish I would have seen another one of these because I would have picked it up. I really like this collection and I love these stickers. I'll probably be using these in my planner because they are cute. Look at that. Look at that little bird. How adorable. And then you have some more. These could go on cards too. Look at these saying Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, 'tis the season. Really, really cute. And then we have more sayings over here. You could easily put these on cards. Now these tiny ones, I like these because they look cute on memory decks cards or what are the other things? Not the memory decks card, but I can't think of it right now. And then we have the numbers, which I probably won't use these. I don't normally use the numbers in the sticker sets. May not use these cute little labels, but they sure are cute. And then the back page is more prettiness. We have the tickets, and we have some like Christmas stuff going on. So this is the 223-piece Warm Wishes by Vicki Boutin sticker book. Yeah, awesome. And then also from that same collection, I picked up this 17-piece Warm Wishes stamp set by Vicki Boutin. So super cute. Really love these stars, the way they're not perfect. They're just cute little stars. And how cute would this bird be stamped on the envelope for your Christmas card? Love it. So this is the Warm Wishes 17-piece stamp set in $2.99 at Tuesday morning. So next up, I have more stickers from Vicki Boutin. Though this is the 105-piece Sweet Rush sticker set. Really cute. Once again, I'm just looking at these and thinking of my planner. How pretty would these look? Also on cards. You can use them on cards or whatever your crafting items are. But look at that little gumball machine. I really love this sticker set. Super cute. Next up are some stickers. These are called Beautiful Day. These are really nice. They have these really cute little gold stickers in here that you can use. This one looks a little beat up, but that's okay. Some florals. You got your magnifying glass and your camera. And then look at these little houses down here. And more sayings. And then on the back, we got some gnomes, which I'm really not into gnomes, but who knows. Then they have this pretty envelope with the florals coming out. And then it says something positive. I like that a lot. These are super cute. Super cute. And this is called Beautiful Day Thickers by American Craft. Check them out. And then last but not least, we have this really pretty chipboard stickers by Bo Bunny, 51 piece. Really pretty, got some gold on here, birds, flowers. Look at these sweet little ladybugs and some grapes and very popular lemons, cherries. They got it all on here, huh? And really pretty flowers. Got a swan up here and a bird behind there. I wish this big thing was something smaller, like maybe some more flowers or birds, but oh well. And then a pretty little star down here at the corner. So that's my haul from Tuesday morning. Have you been to your local Tuesday morning to see if they have started stocking up on the craft supplies? If so, let me know below. If you're new to my channel, welcome, consider subscribing. And if you're a current subscriber, thank you for subscribing, commenting, and hitting that like button. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.